You're walking down a hallway, again and again. Everything looks the same until it doesn't. This is looping horror, a terrifying method that bends time, warps memory, and traps you in repetition until you start to lose your grip on reality. In PT, you're stuck in a single hallway, but every loop brings subtle changes. Flickering lights, a photo missing a piece, a whisper behind you. The horror builds, not because of what jumps out, but because you know something is coming and you can't escape it. Time loops are powerful because they disarm you. Our brains are wired to find patterns, to feel secure in repetition. But when a game breaks those expectations, just slightly, you start doubting yourself. Did that door creak last time? Was that shadow always there? The Stanley Parable uses looping for absurdist, even comedic horror. It mocks your choices, resets the world, and traps you in a limbo of narrative contradictions. The horror comes not from monsters, but from the realization that free will might be an illusion. Games like 12 Minutes twist time into a weapon. You're forced to replay the same painful moments, making micro decisions, learning more with each loop, until the truth finally breaks you.
Mike, Bob, please, you must be thinking of someone else.
Returnal mixes looping with action horror. Every death returns you to square one, with subtle environmental and narrative shifts. You're not just reliving events, you're reshaping trauma through repetition. Looping and time manipulation create horror that lingers. It's not about being hunted, it's about being trapped by time, by memory, and by your own choices. If you like this kind of content, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel.